Okay, y'all, underneath this wig, we know there's some busted cornrows. I've had the cornrows in my head for, I want to say like 3 weeks now. So I was thinking, my hair's already in cornrows. What protector style could I do? Crochet. Here's the problem. I don't like crochet. I've never tried it, but I don't like it. You know, after consulting with my team, I have decided that I'm going to attempt this crochet, and if I do not like the crochet will be coming out of my head. So yeah, pray with me, and if you want to go along this very wild journey that is me coming to terms with crochet, go ahead and keep on watching. I do have my crochet hook here, and I went to the store. I picked up 3 packs of this crochet hair by Model. This is a stock card. Here's my problem with crochet. I feel like a lot of times people, when they wear crochet, they wear it exactly like the stock card model be wearing. And we all know that stock card models be looking a hot mess.
Forgot to say that I just snatched that wig off and wanted to show y'all my braiding pattern. Just some regular straight backs, nothing special.
Ooh, she's soft or whatever. So this is what this hair is looking like. Once again, this is the spiral wand curl. She looks like a nice juicy twister or whatever. Okay, maybe we not mad. Okay, so let me show y'all what I think I'm gonna do, because I really don't know. But this is what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to take my crochet hook, make sure that it is closed. Girl, stay closed. I'm going to then stick that through my braid. I'm going to put the hair on the hook. I'm going to attempt to pull the hook back through my hair. And then I know I take the loop and I take this hair through. And then I flip this and take it through again, like that, I guess. May I just say that this process seems a lot harder than anticipated. I'm going to go in my bathroom and look in like 3 different mirrors and try to attempt the back of my head. And then I'll come back to y'all and talk more junk when I'm in the front of my head, because I don't think I'm cut out for this. So let me go focus and I'll be back to y'all to do all of this up here, okay? Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. I figured out something. I have 2 packs of hair in my head right now. I have 1 more pack that I'm going to install. It's looking very voluminous, okay?
So I did end up using the same technique that I showed you earlier, even though I took that practice one out. So I'm just sticking the crochet hook through my hair with the hook actually closed. Then I open it to attach the hair, and make sure that you attach it in the middle or else the pieces will be uneven. Attaching it, closing the latch, pulling it through my braid, and then I am taking the crochet hair, pulling it through the loop, looping it around, and pulling it through again. And I left this normal speed, so it took me 43 seconds to do this whole process. And I just want you to know that's how long it took for me. Mind you, this is after I kind of already got a groove on, you know, I already had 2 packs. So when them people be saying that this only takes 2 hours to install, maybe they mean like if you're a pro at it, but Jaila is not a pro, so it took Jaila way longer than 2 hours. And I'm not happy about it, but it is what it is. I got it now, so go ahead and keep watching. I'll show you a few more times that technique, but remember, this is not a tutorial, honey. This is really just for, you know, kicks and giggles, because your girl was struggling. But all right, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch now.
So we are back a very long time later, okay? And this is what we are currently looking like. This is my hair with 3 packs of crochet hair in my head. So I need to find somehow, some way to make this look more tame and just like get my life together, because this is not working.
So here, as you can see, I decided to take the scissors to it, and this was the best decision I could possibly make because I really transformed the shape and just made it complement my face shape a little bit more. And this is when I really started to come into form, you know? I started to feel myself a little bit, and I was like, you know, maybe I was onto something. Maybe the crochet slander was unwarranted, okay? I'm going to apologize in advance because it really did start to come together.
So this is my final look, I guess. I don't hate it, and I'm extremely surprised. I do not hate it. I think that the texture is very cute. It's very believable, I guess. I used all 3 packs. Probably didn't need to use all 3 packs, but I really didn't know how to space it out and all that good stuff. Hey y'all, apologize in advance for the quality of this clip. I am currently in my dining room, and that is the only light that I'm using. Don't have any extra light set up or anything like that. This is 2 weeks of wear with this crochet hair in my head. So I had originally planned to take this crochet out after a week, just because I really didn't know if I was gonna like it or not. A lot of people thought this was my real hair. Don't know how, but they did. Got a lot of compliments on it, which I was very surprised about because I was very insecure about how it looked. But you know, we are our worst critic. We are our biggest critics. I did not really do any maintenance to this hair. This is essentially 2 weeks of untouched protective styling hair. Not too shabby. I'm not mad at it at all, but I am about to take it out of my head. If y'all are cussing me out about talking bad about crochet, I apologize. But that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.